I have an amazing scientist for you. So Aristotle lived about 300 BC. He was Greek, and he was known for his three physic theories, as well as the scientific method. Now, Aristotle wrote about scientific topics including biology, physics, and zoology, and his ideas shaped Western science thought until a lot of them were replaced by our friend, Sir Isaac Newton, who updated many or corrected some of Aristotle's ideas. All right, so there is an amazing scientist for you, a historical scientist even.
Hi, it's Mrs. Henson. I'm here in our school library. It's summertime, and I hope that you're headed to the library too in your neighborhood. I wanted to encourage you to find a book to read or to find a series to read. When my kids were little in elementary school, we used to read together the Junie B. Jones series, and this was our favorite. Junie B. Jones is a party animal. It's the story of Junie B. Jones going to a slumber party at her friend's grandmother's house, and Junie has all these ideas of what the grandmother's like. I enjoyed reading it with my kids because we would pretend that we were a part of the story, and I loved reading it out loud to them because I would do all the different voices of the characters of the book. If you have a series that you love reading and you have a younger sibling that might enjoy hearing you read out loud, it's great practice for you to read out loud, and it helps to encourage them to become avid readers. I hope that you enjoy your summer and that you find time to head to the local library, pick out lots of books, and do lots of reading over the summer. See you later.
Did you know water is the only natural substance to exist in 3 physical states at temperature naturally occurring on Earth: solid, liquid, gas. And water freezes faster, this is amazing, when it's warm, not cold. All right, and the average human body is made up from anywhere from 50 to 65% water. So there are some water facts.
Hi everyone, I am Miss Gandalf and I am the new kindergarten teacher, and I'm so excited to be here. I am from Arkansas and I will have a high schooler and a middle schooler this year, and I am going to introduce our new science word of the week, and it's carbon dioxide, and this is the air that we breathe out. Hope you have a good day.
I have an amazing STEM job for you. Yeah, the job is a statistician. Now, if you like numbers, this job is for you. Statisticians are one of the most in-demand careers right now. Statisticians use data, and you use a lot of data when you do your SARSEF projects to make plans and projects. They work in as many different fields as you can imagine, including medicine, agriculture, astronomy, the Census Bureau, and even in sports. So a great STEM career for you might be a statistician.
Hi, it's Mrs. Ferris, and this summer I went to visit Iceland. Iceland, you might have heard, is called the land of fire and ice, and that's because there are more than 30 active volcanoes and 269 different glaciers, including the 3rd largest glacier in the world. And since Iceland sits on the meeting of 2 tectonic plates, then there's a lot of energy that can be used that's made by the earth from the heat below combined with the water above. Icelanders first started using the power of their earth just for baking bread and bathing in the hot springs, but today they are almost 100% renewable energy, with about 73% coming from hydropower, the water, and 27% coming from the geothermal steam. I can't wait to hear about what you did this summer, and I hope that someday you can visit the land of fire and ice.
Prince iPal Science here with your science element, or in this case, elements. Today, hydrogen and oxygen. Most commonly, we know hydrogen and oxygen making up H2O, or water. Now, H2O stands for hydrogen twice, or 2 atoms of hydrogen, and 1 atom of oxygen. Water is an inorganic, transparent, tasteless, odorless, and nearly colorless chemical substance, which is the main constituent of Earth's hydrosphere and the basic fluid of all known living organisms. So there is your scientific elements.
Hi, this is Miss Patchen with your STEM challenge. My kids and I have noticed how hot it's been in our car when we get in it. We were wondering, do you think you could bake cookies in your car? Maybe possibly put a cookie sheet on your dashboard and see how long it takes.
It's time for some math magic. Today's math magic trick is the answer is always 2. So check this out. Think of a number, okay? I'll go with the number 6, okay? Multiply 6, your number, by 3. So 6 times 3 is 18, okay? Add 6 to that number. Well, 18 plus 6 is 24. Divide by 3, well, 24 divided by 3, because I know my math facts, is 8. Now, subtract step 4 from step 1, so 8 minus 6 is 2. The answer is 2. Let's try that again. I'm going to think of another number. Ooh, 7. Okay, 7 times 3 is 21. 21 plus 6 is 27. 27 divided by 8 is 9. 9 minus my original number 7 is 2. So if you pick a number, you follow these steps, your answer will always be 2. Now that is some math magic. I hope you enjoyed another episode of Prince iPal and Friends. We will see you next time. Ta-ta for now, my friends.